little fungus on this deadwood here. Growing. Just having a check on Mabel's back where she got the wasp on her. She seems a little bit more subdued at the moment. You okay, Mabe? You okay? She wears the halty just to stop her pulling when she's on the lead. She's got something on it there. Bit of grass. Yeah, seems a little bit more subdued this morning. Go on then. Go on, Mabe. Go on. Yes, we talked about the pine martens, the missing links. Obviously the beavers have been reintroduced now all over the UK. But we are missing a large carnivore within the ecosystem. And that's why the lynx is seen as a solitary animal that may well be able to fill a missing gap. For keeping down small and larger mammals and help humans to keep the deer population under control. You okay, Mabe? Well, this isn't Mabel's normal behaviour, so I don't know whether she's feeling a little bit groggy from being stung. I'm really not sure. It's sore. Good girl. Come on then. Ooh. I'll work his way down here again. We were up here the other day, so these are the top fields. The grass is growing really long now in these top fields. There is a walk over the top up there which takes you over to Penistone, a very old medieval market town. It may well be Anglo-Saxon.